Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry leaves oil for hair growth. First, gather your ingredients: fresh curry leaves and a high-quality carrier oil, such as coconut oil. Make sure your curry leaves are thoroughly washed and completely dry to prevent any water from mixing with the oil. You'll need about 1/4 cup of leaves and 1 cup of oil for this recipe. Next, pour your chosen carrier oil into a small, clean pan and place it over low to medium heat. Once the oil is slightly warm, carefully add the dried curry leaves. It's crucial to keep the heat gentle. You want to infuse the oil, not fry the leaves. Avoid letting the oil boil vigorously, as this can diminish the beneficial properties. Allow the curry leaves to simmer gently in the oil for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll notice the leaves changing color, becoming darker and a bit crispy. Once they reach this stage, remove the pan from the heat. Let the oil and leaves cool down completely to room temperature. For the best infusion, you can even let it sit for a few hours. Finally, once the oil has cooled, strain it through a fine mesh sieve or a piece of cheesecloth to separate the oil from the leaves. Discard the used leaves. Transfer your freshly made curry leaf oil into a clean, airtight glass bottle. Store it in a cool, dark place, and it should remain potent and effective for up to 3 months, ready for your hair care routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.